Imagine being involved in a car accident and wondering who is responsible for compensating me. What if the driver who hit your vehicle doesn't have insurance? Or the accident wasn't entirely his fault? That's where the motor accidents claims come in. And understanding this process could save you time, stress, and money. Motor accidents happen every day, and the legal process surrounding claims might seem overwhelming. But did you know that under the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988, victims of accidents have two options to claim compensation, whether it's a simple case of negligence or no fault scenario. This law ensures that victims or their families can be compensated for their losses. In this video, we'll explore the rules governing motor accidents claims, the types of compensation you can claim, key legal facts, and what to do if your claim is denied or delayed. Here's a quick summary of what we'll cover. First, types of claims. Claims under section 166 and 163A of the Motor Vehicles Act. 2. Compensation process. The role of Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, or in short it's called as MACT. 3. Burden of proof. Difference between fault and no fault liability. 4. Recent legal developments. Insights into quicker settlements and IRDA's new rules. There are two major sections of the Motor Vehicles Act for claims. First, section 166. This is a fault-based claim. Here, the victims must prove that the accident occurred due to the negligence of the driver. 2. Section 163A. This section works on no fault basis. The victim does not need to prove negligence and can seek compensation from the driver or vehicle owner. A recent case under scrutiny in the Supreme Court of India in 2023 raised an important question. Can a victim claim compensation under both sections simultaneously? The decision is expected to bring clarity on this matter and provide more flexibility for victims. The claims are not directly handled by civil courts. Instead, they are filed with MACT, a special tribunal meant to handle motor accident cases swiftly. The tribunal determines the quantum of compensation based on factors like medical expenses, loss of income, and pain and suffering. In Rajkumar versus Ajay Kumar, the Supreme Court emphasized that compensation under MACT should not only cover economic losses but also consider future prospects and non-economic damages like emotional distress. First, under section 166, the onus lies on the claimant to prove negligence. Witness statements, CCTV footage, or police reports often become crucial in these cases. 2. Under section 163A, there is no need to establish fault, simplifying the process for victims. However, this section applies only to claims involving a predetermined structure compensation scheme. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India (IRDAI) recently stressed the importance of faster claim settlements. Insurers now cannot reject claims arbitrarily. The introduction of pay-as-you-drive insurance plans have also made it easier for policyholders to understand the liability in case of accidents. First, steps to take if your claim is denied. Recheck documentation. Ensure all required documents such as an FIR and medical reports are submitted. 2. Approach the insurance ombudsman. If the insurer rejects your claim unfairly, you can file a complaint with the ombudsman. 3. File an appeal in MACT. If you believe the compensation granted is unfair, you can appeal the decision at a higher tribunal. In the case United India Insurance Company versus Patricia Jean Mahajan, the Supreme Court ruled that insurers cannot deny claims simply based on minor policy errors, reinforcing the victim's rights. Victims can also seek interim compensation if the case is taking too long to conclude, ensuring that financial aid is available during the legal process. In 2023, the Supreme Court began examining whether claimants can benefit under both sections 166 and 163A simultaneously. This ruling could allow more flexibility for victims in choosing the best course for compensation. The IRDAI's new rules ensure that insurance companies now provide quicker settlements. If your car insurance policy follows the pay-as-you-drive scheme, The claim process is expected to become smoother, reducing disputes with insurers over minor technicalities. Here's a recap of what is discussed. First, two types of claims: fault-based, Section 166, and no-fault, Section 163A. 2. MACT's role: Special Tribunal for Quick Resolution of Motor Accident Claims. 3. Insurance company obligations: No arbitrary claim rejection under IRDAI guidelines. 4. Recent Supreme Court orders examining dual claim options under Section 166 and 163A. Understanding the rules of motor accident claims can be your first step towards ensuring you get compensated fairly and swiftly. Whether it's proving negligence or leveraging no-fault liability, being aware of your rights can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Leave your questions in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. And remember, in case of an accident, knowing your rights is your first line of defense. Stay safe and drive responsibly. Take care and bye-bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure